Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Mikhail here and I'm back with new video. And in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to remove suggested words on your Android keyboard. Now without any further ado, let's proceed. First of all, you have to open any text bar from where your keyboard will load up on your interface. Here I'm simply going and then in this search bar, a keyboard will pop up. Once you type in any word, suppose I'm gonna type in settings, and in here once I type SETT, I will get an auto suggestion on my keyboard at the top, that is settings. Now simply hold that and you will get a remove suggestion option. If you drag that settings and upward and drop that on the trash icon, it will get removed from my suggestions. And there is another way as well, but before that, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Now once you remove that, again tap on this little icon that you will see at the top of the keyboard on the left side, and in here you will be able to see the keyboard settings. On the same line, tap on that settings, you will land on this keyboard setting. From this very list, look for dictionary and tap on dictionary. Once you tap on dictionary, if you tap on that personal dictionary, you will see all your listed words, and then from there you can simply remove that as well. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching again. I will see you on next video.